To view if you're enrolled in benefits or to see what benefits you already have, you can do so through the employee portal. First, log in. Once you've logged in, select the Benefits tab. Then click Summary. This will list all of the benefits that you're currently enrolled in. You can see the plan, the type, your status, the effective date, and the coverage start date. If you're enrolled in retirement, you can click on the Retirement Summary. This will list your base earnings and all of the contributions that you've made. You can also view your dependents and beneficiaries. If nothing is listed, click Add. If you're trying to add a dependent, you will need to reach out to your client service specialist. They will be able to let you know if adding your dependent is a qualifying event. However, you can add a beneficiary through this portal. Click on Add Beneficiary. Then complete the personal and contact information and select Add.